I'm going to show you how to make proxies in Shutter Encoder. Now, Shutter Encoder is free. I think it's based on FFmpeg, and you can't do everything with it, but you can do a fair bit with it. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is one you don't see so much for proxies, but you could use it for proxies. It's a really, I've seen it all over the place on editors' desktops, and especially in audio recording studios for some reason. It's called Shutter Encoder. It's a free front end to FFmpeg. FFmpeg is a load of load of programs that are written to do encoding, and they normally get it with scripts. It's like a GUI over the top of a program, and it's free. It's great. So anybody can use it, and it's Mac and PC. So here's what you get when you launch, and it's got areas to drop your files, and then you've got a start function, and then you've got this button, and this gives you all the sort of formats and things. You can do sound conversion, editing conversion, output codecs. You could do it broadcast. Got HAP on there. I don't know if that works. Old codecs down here. You've got, what else have we got? Blu-ray, analysis, and you can rip videos from the web. So for our intents and purposes, you can download this and have a play with it. It's got tons of stuff you can do. We want to do a proxy. So let's do, I don't know, Apple ProRes. So which Apple ProRes do we want? Now, on the PC, I would imagine it's the fake Apple thing, because it's not licensed. And in this, you can hook straight into ProRes. So this is problem. So let's go down here and do proxy. And I've got, I don't know, a bit of footage here, which is ProRes, but HQ. Pop that in there. And there you go. And then I'm going to add a suffix to it, and I'm going to call it underscore proxy. And then I'm going to click start function. Now pop down, there it goes, and it's made it, and it makes it right next to little noise there. It's made it right next to the original. But obviously you can create a subfolder, as you can see, and put it in a proxy folder. Now this is amazing, it's clear that. But the problem we've got with this is you can't use raw files in it. So let's do this. I've got some Blackmagic Raw up here. Let's put that in there, see what it does. It's in. Okay, can't see anything here. Let's try start function on that. And there, it can't do it. So it can't open B-roll. Right, okay. And that's basically the way it works. So if you're doing stuff from, what have we got? FX6. I've got an MXF file, camera MXF. Let's put that in there. Get rid of that first one. Yeah, and there's someone clear, and so I've cleared it out. But anyway, you can use a camera MXF files. You can use MXF because they're wrappers, but anything to do with RAW, this doesn't work for. So this has got limited use for you if you're using it for proxy creation. If you're doing anything from RED, any RAW format, you can't use it. But if you're using it from like that's off an FX6 or an FX9 or something like that, you've got the large MXFs and you want to encode with that, it's very quick and does it. I mean, the main thing with this is it's got all the other stuff you can do. Over here you've got color tree, you've got image adjust, you've got all sorts of things you can actually add to it. Time code burn-ins, all sorts of things. So yeah, it's very powerful. It does have limited use for proxy creation. It's a great encoder, and it's free. So you get a lot of stuff there. It's a shame. If someone can write bolt-ins for like RED, ARRI, or B-RAW or something, it would become incredibly powerful. But it's free, and it's written by this guy called Paul Pacifico. Well done, that man. It's brilliant. Anyway, there you go.